Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Can you withdraw $1,000 from Revolut? I know that this is a question that a lot of people have, because Revolut is a great way to save money and manage your finances. However, there are a few things that you need to know before you try to withdraw $1,000 from your account. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Revolut? How do you withdraw money from Revolut? What are the limits on withdrawing money from Revolut? What are the fees for withdrawing money from Revolut? What are the alternatives to withdrawing money from Revolut? So, let's get started. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and insurance. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and has over 20 million customers. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its ability to hold multiple currencies. This means that you can use Revolut to send and receive money in different currencies, which can be very helpful if you travel a lot. How do you withdraw money from Revolut? There are a few different ways to withdraw money from Revolut. The most common way is to use a Revolut card. You can also withdraw money from an ATM or bank transfer. Revolut cards are available in two different types, virtual and physical. Virtual cards can be used online and in-app, while physical cards can be used at ATMs and in stores. To withdraw money from a Revolut card, you simply need to insert your card into an ATM and enter your PIN. You can also use your Revolut card to make contactless payments. To withdraw money from Revolut via bank transfer, you will need to provide your bank account details to Revolut. Once your bank account details have been verified, you can transfer money from your Revolut account to your bank account. What are the limits on withdrawing money from Revolut? The amount of money that you can withdraw from Revolut depends on your account type and your location. For example, if you have a standard account, you can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. If you have a premium account, you can withdraw up to $5,000 per day. If you have a middle account, you can withdraw up to $10,000 per day. The limits on withdrawing money from Revolut may also vary depending on your location. For example, if you are withdrawing money from an ATM in the United States, you may be limited to withdrawing $500 per day. What are the fees for withdrawing money from Revolut? There are no fees for withdrawing money from Revolut using a Revolut card or via bank transfer. However, there may be fees charged by the ATM or bank that you are using. What are the alternatives to withdrawing money from Revolut? If you don't want to withdraw money from Revolut, there are a few other options available to you. You can use your Revolut card to make contactless payments or online purchases. You can also transfer money from your Revolut account to another bank account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about withdrawing money from Revolut, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.